You're all warmly welcome to our tutorial for today. We are going to draw a simple propeller. It's going to be very nice and interesting. So how do we go about it? Okay, we are going to make use of circle. We click on our circle. Remember, I am in 2D workspace. Okay, I want this to be, let's use 100. Okay, we click on circle again to the middle. Let this be 30 at the middle again. Let's make this to be 40. Okay, I think with this we should be done with this very part of it. Okay, now we are now on the top view of it, customize view. Alright, then let's click and then get to our SW. What will it give to us? Okay, I get our southwest. Now we are going to press pull this very object you are seeing here. Okay, look for press pull. This is press pull. You click on it, you trace it. You can see two of them are highlighted. You click and okay, sorry, we have to make sure the both of them are highlighted. You click or you click both of them or to click both of them. This is make sure the both of them are highlighted. You press pull. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, beautiful. So now we are going to make the height to be this height. Okay, let's make the height 200. Okay, I'm okay with this height now. All right, then let us now get to our other drawing by extruding downward. You click on extrude, click on the base, press enter and move down by 10. Alright then, if you want to see what you've done, you can click on your 2D wireframe to get your realistic, the drop down button. You click drop down arrow here. Okay, you can see what you've done here. It looks beautiful. Alright, let us go back to our customized view and then click on our left. So this is what we have now. Go back to our view here, view style, and get back our 2D wireframe. What we want to do now, we want to get a line that corresponds with this. A line that corresponds with it. So how do we get it? Okay, we click on line, we'll get to the point here, and we'll take it down. You can see the length of the line is about, ought to be 200 to 198. Let's ensure we get it right. But roughly 200. Okay, so it's 200. Let me see where it stops. Okay, all right, let me see. Let me go back. This line is moving. Let's click on our auto mode. Okay, 200, enter, and let's see how it goes. Beautiful. So with this one, we've gotten what we wanted. All right then, or before we even get the line, let's press on escape, Control Z to ensure that that line is no longer there. Okay, before then we click on this layer, property layer, get a new layer, and let's just call it PRO and leave it the way it is. Click and make sure it is the current. Okay, that's appeared current here. It looks okay. All right, close it off. All right, so we can click on our line now from the point above here. Want to make sure we have the right point. Okay, we can now take our hand down by 200, enter. Right click, say okay. We can go back to our layer here and then switch off this bulb here and close it. You see that the line is the one that is now shown only. The other drawing has just been hidden. Let's work on this line. Let's continue. We are going to divide this line into 10 different places or segments. Okay, how do we go about it? You click on the line or you type divide, press enter, select the object. It will ask you to enter number of segments. I say 10. Okay, so how do we know there are there? There's no problem. Let's get on our line. You click on line. You see, look at the first node here. The second, we seeing them, each of the nodes. Okay, let's take the first node. Click after clicking on line. Okay, let's get back to our. We are on left now. Let's get back to our SW plane. Okay, you click on. Okay, we can still be on. We can still be on. Okay, it's okay. Let's click on line. Get the first, and we'll make it 15. Right click, enter. Click on the second. Through the second segment, make it 20. Enter. Right click, enter. The next, we're going to trade the next one. Okay, and this first one was 15, 20, 25. Enter. Again, this is 30 now. I'm going to have a 30. The next will be 35, and the next will be 40. The next 45. The next will be 50. The next 55. And the last 60. Okay, so if you want to see what we have done, you can see it there. Okay, but make sure it is at SW now. We want to rotate each of this line. Alright, so after dividing the lines and we have hidden our first part of the drawing, we are going to get some lines across. Remember, we are on left view control. So we click on our line, get to the first node here and key in 15. Press enter and enter again. The second one, we click on 20, enter again. The next, we click and ensure we are going to have 25 this time. Let's do the next 15, 20, 25. For the next one will be 30. Enter. Never mind, we'll do away with this line. Okay, click on your line. Okay, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the next is 35. Move to the next line. 40. The next 45. The next is 50. And the next is 55. Let's take one more, which is 60. Alright, let's click on our home and see how we go. We want to rotate each of these line at an inclined angle. How do we do that? You click on rotate, click on this line, press enter, get to the base here, click on it and key in minus, let's use minus 15. Okay, right. The next is this other one. You click on it, rotate, get to the base, say minus 20. The next, click, rotate, base, minus 25, click, rotate, minus 30. So the next is going to be minus 35. Rotate the base, minus 35. You click, rotate, get to the base, minus 40. Click, rotate, zoom out so I can see the base. Okay, let's see. The first one was 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So this one is minus 45. Okay, the next one now is going to be minus 50. Minus 50 at the rotation. We click on this. We'll click on our rotate. Say minus 55. And finally, we are now going to have the last, which is going to be minus 60. Minus 60. Okay, you can see that they're all tilted at an angle now. So what do we need to do in this case? It's very easy. There's no problem. Let's see very well. Now, we're going to look for a tool to which can be able to join all of this. After which, we now thicken it. So what tool do you think can join all of this together? Can we get to our solid? Do we have, is it the polyline? No, it doesn't do that. So what tool do you think can be able to? We use loft. Click on loft. Then click on each of the line and see what happens. A net like uh, a net like joining does happen. Okay, it is lofting each of them. Right click, say enter. Okay, right click again, say enter. So you may be wondering what this is all about. Well, if you go to your realistic view, you'll be able to see what to be able to get. Okay, let's get to our realistic view now. You can see, but it is too light. It is too light. We are going to make the thickness to be 5 millimeters. So how do we get it? Look at the tool here in tool solid editing. You have thicken. You click on thicken. It will ask to select the surface to which you want to thick. You click on this, okay, and press enter. It asks you to specify the thickness. Say 5. Enter. And let's see what happens. You can see the thickness of what to be able to draw here. It looks lovely, looks beautiful. Okay, so what do we do next? Very simple. Alright, let us now bring back the former drawing. How do we do that? After clicking on this little icon home here, you click on your layout, you click on the layer property. This bulb is switched off, just on it back, and that's all. And you will see it coming back fully. See how beautiful it is. But we are not done with our drawing yet. Now we are going to array this blade into 12 different places. Let's get back to our realistic view so we can see the in and out of everything. So what I do now, I click on the very object I want to array. I go to polar array and click. They ask me to specify the base point or center point. This is my center point. See, a preview about 6 blades have appeared there, but I needed 12, not 6. So I changed the value from 6 12. I press enter. Okay, close the array and then go back to your realistic view and you'll be able to see exactly what you've been able to draw. You can see this simple propeller. It is very interesting. Okay, now we are going to union this. After unioning, we'll pick these drawings off and leave the skeletal drawings behind so you can delete it. How do you do that? Click on your union, you highlight the entire drawing, press enter. Then it will become one object. You can now move it out. Okay, leaving just this behind so that with this you will be able to delete it, leaving behind our simple propeller drawing. But we are not done yet. We need a shaft below. So what do we need to do then? It's very simple. Okay, we click on our bottom here. Let's get to our realistic view. Click on circle, trace the center, and we want our shaft to take the same space as this. This was 40. Okay, so key in 40, enter. Alright, we go back again to our home. We want to extrude that very part down. We click on our extrude button, then we trace the line that we have, click on it, press enter, and extrude it downward. Okay, extrude it downward, and then click. Let's go and see what you'll be able to draw out there. Okay, so this is the shaft to which is going to be inserted. Okay, it looks very beautiful and lovely. Okay, all right then. So now let's go back to our home view. I would like us to have a fillet here at this point here, both points. So let's key in fillet, FILLET, press enter, arrow for radius, and we want it to be 3 millimeters. 3, enter. So we key on this surface here and then press enter. The next surface, beautiful. You can see it looks very beautiful, lovely. All right then, what do we do next? It's very easy. Okay, let's see what we've been able to draw since then. All right, so this is just a simple way of drawing our propeller. Finally, let's make a hole so that we can be able to get our screw in it. Let's get back to our 2D wireframing. Finally, click on your circle, get to any of these points. Okay, we are using back now. Why not we still maintain okay, we can choose the back, but let's use right. Click on your circle, click on this point and draw your line. Okay, this is okay by me. Alright, right click, this is okay. So let's get back to our home view again, and then we are going to extrude. Click on extrude, click on the circle, enter, and trace it out this way. Let's see what we'll be able to draw. Okay, click on your subtract, the shaft, enter, and the next. So you'll be able to bore a hole here. This is where the pin, the screw pin is going to enter for it to be locked. So don't forget to union all you've done. click on union, all of them, and then press enter for them to become one simple object. So this is what to be able to draw our simple propeller. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you're going to watch our video when we are going to carry out detailed drawing or viewing of this in orthographic. You're going to see the front view, the side view, and the plan. So thank you very much for watching. See you some other time.